is it?
It's 10:30.
He's recording.
This nigga said fucking dog. Yo.
I know my treatment packed for last night for today.
No.
You're an idiot.
Wow, you ass, get the fuck up. It's 10. It's 10 and we're leaving at 11. This nigga's naked.
Yo, he looks like fucking Goku.
You're an Indian, no?
Yo, turn on the lights real quick.
That's
Type quick, type quick.
the other one.
Oh shit.
Yo, look at that nigga's belly.
Yo.
Facts. Looking at me like that.
Yo, wake the fuck up.
Wake up, dude.
I can't, cause you guys are.
This is going on the EG forums.
This is definitely going on itchy forums.
This is what happens when we feel like screaming, okay? We go to each other's house and just fuck each other.
Ah, wake up, wake up, you white ass stick.
What the fuck am I gonna do?
Change, we're leaving in like an hour.
Get out so I can fucking change.
Hold up.
Shit.
No, I want to record you.
This is the famous Young, the guy that edits all the videos. You guys thought he was fat. He's not fat. He's really.
Corey worked on these videos. That's when the movie goes.
Got him, guys.
Yo,
What the fuck is that shit?
where'd that come from? Take that off. Yo, what the fuck? This is 2001 Killers or whatever that shit is called.
Yo, Maniacs and shit.
This is 2001
Get out of
Minions.
my room so I can fucking change. Holy shit.
Record his butt, man.
I'll bring you your red book.
Oh,
back,
shit.
Omar.
Dude, I'm not even going. Just
Yes, you are, you ass.
Just get out. Just I don't even like you guys anymore.
Say hi to forums.
Fuck forums.
Come on, let's go show him his latest project, man.
This is where the famous young LD fucking plays Soldier Front and edits.
Don't you see this big ass computer?
Better than Ron's, better than Ron's.
No, it's not even close, man. He had
Not
the
even
S's.
Hold on.
Shanghai.
He's gay.
This setup is so bad.
Don't you look at this mess, man?
Jesus. He would have it. He would have that. Oh snap!
Put that on Albert.
Ripping all the Dominicans.
Yeah, you get the fuck out of your house.
Yeah, go outside, yeah. Yayo never goes outside.
Yeah, this girl invited him to go to her,
Yeah,
her
his
house.
ex-girlfriend is like, come over to my house, babe. And
Nobody's
he's like,
gonna-
no, I gotta play Soldier Front.
Nobody's gonna be there. I gotta play Soldier Front.
I have to play a while.
That's the famous delay.
Yep.
Looking like a bum today,
Fuck you, bitches.
bumming it out today.
That's Modern Junior.
It's
Mi
Jello.
madre, no, mi madre sucked his dick.
Yo,
What you heard? Alright, that's Jello.
here they already introduced me.
The sweeper. He sweeps a lot.
Nigga, I sleep on the AFKs.
Oh, let's see what Young has as his computer. The fag never tells us shit anymore.
Look at his bullshit headset.
That's how he owns people. The cord is coming out. and shit.
This is what he thinks of Jake.
Draw things. Oh shit. Oh shit. This guy looks like Jake, man.
Also you condemned for like 60 G coins. Yeah, original too. See,
What
original.
the fuck is this bastard?
QW?
QW, don't say it.
You guys can't know.
No, never mind. I was wrong.
Oh,
See,
I know
it's right
it
there.
is.
Look,
Yeah, I
look.
know
It's,
it is.
it's QW. It's ABC 1, 2, 3.
Dude, they're gonna come over and hack his computer, man.
Yo, that's the one. Relax.
Alright, yeah, look at that.
No, we can't show him.
Alright,
We
fine.
can't show his project. And people think he quit Soldier Front.
Okay.
He's going on forum, so yeah, fuck it. You might as well.
Alright, fine. Then calm down. Alright, Alright, so yeah, that was a sneak peek at Young's life. Subscribe to that nigga in artificial animation. And quick peek. He quit, maybe? Yes?
What?
No?
What's
What?
this?
What? Maybe he did, maybe he didn't. Well, you don't know.